Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to Suvi's Hair Care channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make this super moisturizing leave-in conditioner that boosts hydration, gives the hair shine, and also promote hair growth. It's made with all natural ingredients. So if you love DIY hair care, hit that like button and let's get right into it. So now I'll be using the aloe vera gel, the store-bought aloe vera gel. I'll be using some flaxseed gel. I'll be using some of my rosemary and clove hair growth oil, and I will also be using some vegetable glycerin in this leave-in conditioner. I'll be using some lavender essential oil and some tea tree essential oil. And last but not least, I'll be using some melted shea butter inside of this leave-in conditioner. So let's get right into it. So now we have a clean jar and we're going to add our store-bought aloe vera gel. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of our aloe vera gel inside of this leave-in conditioner. And we all know that aloe vera is good for giving the hair moisture, for moisturizing the hair. I mean, aloe vera is good for your entire body. And now we're gonna add our flaxseed gel. This flaxseed gel, I made it, so it's not store bought. I made it for myself. I add quarter cup of flax seeds inside of 2 cups of boiling water and bring it to a boil for like 10 minutes, and there we go. Strain it and it's good to go. So now I am adding 3 tablespoons of glycerin inside of the aloe vera gel and the flaxseed gel, and I am just giving it a quick whisk. I'm just mixing it together very quickly before I add my other ingredients inside of it. And glycerin adds, this is a humectant which helps pull moisture into your hair and help keeps your coils hydrated for longer. So now I'm adding in my butter. I'm adding in the shea butter. I'm going to use 6 tablespoons of shea butter in this leave-in conditioner, and I'll be adding it in 2 tablespoons at an interval. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons, give it a mix, then 2 tablespoons, give it another mix, 2 tablespoons, give it a mix, because we all know that oil and water doesn't mix. So we're adding it slowly, slowly, a little bit at a time. So that way we'll be able to mix it all together. And with the flaxseed gel and the aloe vera gel, these two are going to give our leave-in conditioner that smooth, silky, moisturizing slip that we all love in our deep conditioner. I mean, whenever you use flaxseed gel on your hair, I don't know, man. For some reason, your curls, they're just popping and your hair is looking so shiny and healthy and everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you know, you know. So now this is my second 2 tablespoon that I'm putting in the leave-in conditioner, and I'm also giving it another mix again, because as I said, we don't want to add it all in at once and then uh there will be separation. We're trying to get the butters and the oils to blend together with the aloe vera gel and the flaxseed gel, because the aloe vera gel and the flaxseed gel, they're water, and water and oil doesn't mix, as I said before. And shea butter, this is going to help seal in the moisture in our hair, and it's also going to soften your hair, and it helps your hair to reduce its breakage. So this is my last 2 tablespoons of shea butter that I'm adding in. So I'm giving it a mix now, and then after this I'll be adding in my clove and rosemary oil mix, and I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of my clove and rosemary oil mix hair growth oil. This clove and rosemary, now I'm just checking it here to see how it looks. I mean, if you want, you can leave it like this. It's perfect like this without adding oils inside of it, but I'm going to add oils in mine. So now I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of the clove and rosemary hair growth oil. And this oil promotes scalp health, it strengthens roots and support hair growth. And now I'm going in to add 10 drops of my tea tree essential oils. And after that, I'll be adding 10 drops of my lavender essential oil. Tea tree essential oils is known for its antibacterial benefits, and lavender essential oil is known for for soothing the scalp and adding a calming scent. And guys, I can tell you, this leave-in conditioner, it smells so good now. I mean, it wasn't smelling bad before, but now that the essential oils is inside of it, it gives it a really pleasant scent and it smells really good. So now that I'm done mixing all of my gels and my butter and my oils together, I'm just going to see, I'm just, just gonna look at it so that you guys can see that that's how moisturizing this look, and man, the slippage that it have in it and everything. I didn't want to put my hand inside of it. That's why I'm using the spoon, because we don't want it to go bad and my hand germs bacteria. So now I'm transferring the leave-in conditioner over into this measuring cup, so that I'll be able to pour it over into my clean jar. So you if you want this to be thicker, you can add a bit more flaxseed gel. If you want it to be lighter, you add more of the aloe vera gel. So you can tweak it to your preference. So now I'm just going to transfer my leave-in conditioner over into my container, which has been washed and dry. I'm recycling here, like I'm reusing my containers instead of getting using a new container every time. Gotta, gotta help the environment. So now I'm transferring my leave-in conditioner into a clean jar, or you can transfer it into a bottle, and then you're gonna keep it refrigerated if you're using fresh flaxseed gel with no preservative, like I did. So I'll be putting mine in the refrigerator. This batch can last 1 to 2 weeks in the fridge, but my aloe vera gel, it have preservative inside of it, so this will be able to last longer than the 1 to 2 weeks. You can apply this leave-in conditioner to damp hair after washing. Focus on the ends, then detangle and style as usual. Your hair will stay moisturized, soft, and shiny for days. If you enjoy this DIY recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair care videos. Let me know in the comment section if you will be making and trying this leave-in conditioner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.